cameras weren't running. Let's get these going. Saturday, November 16th, 2024. I said it looked like they'd done some work on these roads, but maybe they haven't. We just saw a coyote come across the road, but of course we couldn't get the camera cranked up in time to get him. Haven't found the rattle yet. These roads could get where we can't get down there. I don't know. I could find that rattle is aggravating it as big as it is, mountain as big as it is, but it's on the other side of the dam. I can't get over there. I need an explorer partner. Made it worse, whatever I did a minute ago made it worse. It may help me find it though. Tell me where to look for it. Here that time. We saw something right here one time. And then we saw an owl coming in one night. Yeah, we have night video coming in and out of here. Traveled. I said it's a wildlife management area. Maybe people down here tonight camping. I don't know. We could end up back up at campground at main Ceylon. This is Ceylon South. Somebody on the other side over there finding this rattle. I think that's private property, but I don't know that. There was one place up here that was sort of iffy getting through. Then there was a big place down there right where we fork off of this road and go down the campground road. Yeah, this is dry now, so that's good. Maybe it'll be dry. Channel dash cam going, so if anything comes out behind us, it may catch it. As loud as that rattle is, you'd think I could isolate it. One fellow told me there's a big abandoned sawmill back here. Instead of going off to the campsite the way we go, if you go left, which I have done, and then run into a closed gate. But if the gate's open, we could go back through there. But that road gets sort of iffy too. Yeah, here's where it's gotten iffy before, getting to the right here. We go to the right. Go to the campsite. It's a lot better than I thought it would be. my guess, but I think that's what they are. Now, you're liable to see anything: fox, bobcat, coyote, owls, hawks, bald eagle, wild boar or wild pig, snakes, armadillos, raccoons, squirrels, rabbits, possum, pretty much anything you can think of. We had a real blue sky and some white puffy clouds down here, but I know we're not going to. It usually has some very good light anyway. There's a whole bunch of some kind of mushrooms. If I knew they were edible, we'd have them tonight. I need to learn how to identify mushrooms. We may get a picture of them on the way out tomorrow. Of course, they may be gone. Mushrooms sometimes come and go very fast. And the kids like to come down here and party, so we may or may not stay. We were down here that one night and 2 truckloads of boys with just one girl came off down here. They didn't stay long. Don't know anything more than that. That's all I'm gonna say. I don't know if there was anything going on or not. If I was that girl's daddy, I wouldn't like it one bit though. Wouldn't like it if I was the boy's daddy either. A recipe for disaster. Something shining up there. I've got a feeling it's a vehicle. Shaking the tree. What's he doing? Getting parts of that tree or something. I don't know what they're up to. Yeah, another vehicle. I know this was already a popular place, but then I've had several people ask me, where is that? Where is that? It's a double-edged sword. You like to show people nice places and things, and it's only natural they want to get there too. But I like these places to myself. mind sharing them, but I don't want people messing them up and overpopulating them. Plenty of firewood, that's for sure. He'll probably pull right up there where I want to get pictures and block the view. But maybe not. And we got somebody behind us too. I don't think we'll be staying here tonight. Yeah, I think we'll head back up to Ceylon North or whatever they call it up there. But we may stay here till dark. Let the sun go down, which won't be too long now. It's 5:14. We could get up and go fishing in the morning at that pond. Primitive campground. Remove all trash and other debris. Look at this light. Absolutely fabulous. You pull right up there in the... No, he's not. That's good. Looks like he's just going to turn around. We're going to stop right here. Look at that. Isn't that nice? Okay, now we almost got stuck. They may have worked on this. I think it was further down though where we ran into trouble, but it could have been right there. We got video going through that. It was this past spring. Get out and do any walking around, we'll put on our orange vest. Yeah, that gate's closed, but we're going around to the ponds. Yeah, you hit these sand roads and it slows down. And we got stuck in the sand down at Gilligan's Island down at St. Mary's. And we have a can of corn. We may try our hand at fishing here. Like some deer tracks. There are two other ponds down here at the end, straight off. And then this is the largest pond. I think the other ponds must have been fisheries, and then they would stock this pond. But that's just my guess from that hunt club years ago. See, this would be a nice pond to canoe in and run the camera down in. And there's a little place here where you can launch a canoe. We got that inflatable, but we didn't bring it. Inflatable kayak. I wasn't that fond of it. I need to practice it more. I need to get in and practice it where I can use it. I don't know if camping is allowed here or not. I don't guess we'll get stuck in this sand. It's not that bad. If it is, if we do, we ought to be able to dig our way out. But we're going to park right here. We may walk around there to the other ponds and check them out.